spotted this really cool polo. Not sure if you can see it, but it's really nice. It's not even bad. Some Quelos, I'm thinking. It's really nice, dog. The fitment is nice, though. Ooh, what's this? 135. It's really nice, dog. It's a really big fucking screen up. I hope nobody thinks that I'm staying there. Oh, this is the first time I've seen this in person. I'm not sure if you can see the interior. It's really nice. What are these tires? Hankook. I really like these headlights. These new headlights. Actually, the whole like facelift. This I don't like. X1, X2. But the interior is stupidly nice though. Yeah, it's an X2. A nice little Forces. Diesel. Really nice. I like the exhaust tips. I want to do a little walk around. And I hope nobody can see. Oh, this shit is big, bro. It's a 520D. I don't know what color this is, but it's really nice though. And this little detail. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a little 5 on here. Oh, look at this leather though. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, can I see that? Oh, dog. These seats are really nice. Wow.
Very nice.
I'm too short for this car. But I like how the dash is. It's really low. You can see over the
But you can adjust the seats.
electric. I drive a little Polo. I don't know anything.
Sorry?
I drive a Polo. I don't know anything. Bro, this seat is so silent. But look at this. I wanna. How do I adjust the steering wheel? Oh, and it's so. Okay, it's really nice, and I like the ambient lighting in here. It's really nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, these seats are really nice. I like the leather. I like this color. I don't even know what color this is.
Cape York green.
What?
Cape York green.
Cape York green.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
And I wow. Can I open this one as well?
Let me just check.
It's closed. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not for this one.
Wow.
Look at the interior. Trade in your color.
Can I even get this? It doesn't even cover down payment for this. What do you mean? It doesn't even cover down payment for this.
Try. We can try. What do you mean? We can try.
But this is really nice. Okay, I want to look at that. And this is open. Looks open.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's pre-owned, you could say, because it has a number of
Kilos.
kilos. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. What the? Oh. So every BMW that I'm gonna get in is gonna make that sound. Wow.
Yeah, it's a BMW.
But these ones are firm, not like those ones. Those ones were soft. This one's
That one.
yeah.
Was soft.
Yeah, those ones were soft. And this one is a bit harder.
Those are with the sports car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Oh.
Stitches even show.
What?
Stitches
Don't.
shows that you
Oh
are
yeah.
where you are.
You see, I like little things like this.
Yeah.
Like small little details.
Like that.
Yeah, it's really nice. Okay.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. Ooh. Quality. Okay, can you?
Quality. Please.
Oh.
You can't expect anything less than that.
I know, but I'm just used to like cheaper cars, you know.
What do you mean?
I'm used to like a VW, you know, like VW don't have this kinds of like materials, and it doesn't look like this. Not even a color like this. You can't even get a VW in this color.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Like the colors that you can get with a Polo is like gray, I think white, and there's a new like a brownish. It's like
this.
yeah, I think it's a bit darker than this one, but it's ooh, what's that? Sorry. Oh, what's this?
X7.
X what?
7.
7. Oh. Oh, it's like a family SUV.
Yeah, you see.
But it comes with carbon fiber. Eh? What? It's so nice. And it's so big. Guys, you can't even tell how big this car is. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm like 5'6". This is crazy. Is this open?
Yeah.
And the door is so heavy. The door is so heavy.
It's an excavator.
Yeah. Ooh.
BMW signature sound.
It's called signature sounds. It's really nice though. It lifts up the experience. But also this one comes with.
Yeah.
So is this like a what? You said it's an X.
No, I'm saying stitches so.
So, but that one is an M. Why does it?
Yeah, but it shows it has an M performance. You see there?
Oh.
That.
So, M from what is it? M's. It's
package. It has an M package.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's really nice. What's this?
Just a design. That one is for. Let me see.
Really nice though. And it's leather. See what I mean? Like in VWs, you don't even get this.
What do you mean?
In VWs, you don't even. What's this? Guys, I need to get my money up.
Please.
Please, come on, guys, subscribe and what, donate money, whatever it is. Yo, I'm confused about this. So, because it's a M thingy, it comes with this.
Yeah. You saw it as an M package.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, now I see.
Yeah.
Rims are so big. What size is this? 20. You can't even tell. So big.
You can imagine how much one costs.
Let me guess. Like
This one?
Yeah.
No, it's around 2.2.
But it's a big car. It makes sense though.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I guess. Thanks. That car though, I like that color. It's doing something to me. What's your name?
Lizzie.
Lizzie. Thank you, Boka.
All right, Boka.
Okay, bye. You have really nice
You
cars.
should tell your supporters to come and buy cars.
Guys, you heard it here. You must come here and buy cars, and you have to buy me that red M2, guys. Come on. Bye.
Bye.
Wow. Okay. Bro. Oh, that was stupid. That was stupid. She made my whole experience, guys, and I had fun. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry I didn't have the camera in my face all the time, but I was kind of nervous at first. But seeing that she was warming up to me a little bit, I can't remember. Ooh, who's that? Damn. Nobody's hit my car yet. Guys, I guess I catch up with you in the car. I want to look at the clips that I filmed. I want to see if it's... And this. I know we walked past this, but dang. Lizzie, I think I'm gonna come back. I need that M2. I know you said it's pre-owned and whatever, but I need that motherfucker, bro. And it's so clean. And what I like about those seats. When I sat in the 5, the seats were a bit softer. The seats in the 5 were a bit softer, but in the M2, I know they look kind of the same, but in the M2 they were a bit too stiff. In the 5 they were a bit plush. Wow. Bro, I had fun. Now we're walking up to my car. Nigga, I hope you don't hit me, nigga. With your gear. With your little gear. Guys, let's check the fitment. I know it's 5. Actually, let me show you the car before we leave. Been driving around all day. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, guys. Right now, I want to go back home. And I gotta adjust the sizing of this thing. It's not even level yet. I have to drop this side, I think, a bit more. bro. I'm not used to nice things. I'm sorry if the vlog wasn't like all that, but I tried, bro. I tried. I really like a lot of BMWs, and that one, that M2, I'm not gonna lie, that shit was stupid, bro. And that what is it, X7, that shit's big. I'm not even sure. Did I get it, any of it on camera? I think so. When I get back home, I want to edit this. Actually, I want to go through like a lot of the footage. I want to see if there's anything, you know, interesting that I can post. If the video is interesting enough, I'm gonna post that shit, bro. Bro, I saw some sick ass cars. Bro, I ain't never seen no shit like that before. I'm not used to like nicer things. And that woman is trying to sell me a car, bro. I told her I don't even have money. She's trying to sell me a car, bro. I told her, bro, I don't even have money. I can't even afford this shit. Like, my Polo does something, but not that much. Bro, that's a... I don't even know how much that motherfucker cost. You had the wrong guy. With those looks, if I had money, I'm sure I would have walked out of there with a car, man. I'm telling you. With those looks, if I had money, I would have walked out of there with a motherfucking car, you know what I mean? Yo, bro, I had fun. I don't even know what the fuck. I had fun. Why was it so fun? And I was just walking around looking at cars. I love cars. And I've never realized this. I actually love cars, dog. It's not just oh, it's a cool car. Bro, I love cars. Carbon fibre. No, I'm not used to this kind of stuff. I drive a Polo. Bro, I drive a Polo. I'm not used to that kind of stuff. I need to adjust my car. My car is leaning bad, bro. It's leaning bad. Let me pour some petrol before I leave. Like $100, something light. Don't die on me. Subscribe, donate, whatever, guys. I need that M2. I need la M2. La M2. Bro, let me put the camera down. I'll talk to you guys later, eh? Alright, guys, we secured the bag. We got our food. Now I don't even know where I'm going. I just want to do something, bro. My bad, guys. I don't know how to downshift into second gear. I can only do third. I can rev match. I don't know if it's because my feet are small or if this pedal box is just too wide. Because I can downshift it. I can rev match for shit. I can rev match, but I can't have my foot on 3 pedals. I have 2 feet, bro. I don't know how people do it. I have 2 feet. How can you step on 3 pedals? I want to eat my food though, but I don't want to go home. Oh, that was nice. I sort of got it. Yeah, guys, we made it back to my hometown. I'm like 4 kilos. I think almost 4 kilos away from my house. Not that far.